Good afternoon, Thursday. Okay, this is our challenge dictation. This is an optional activity that you can work with after you finish with dictation number 2. I will dictate 2 sentences that we have not copied before. These are 2 new sentences related to planet Earth. Pay attention and get ready to work. Remember to sit down in a comfortable place, have your paper at hand and your pencil. We are going to start in 3, 2, 1. Sentence 1. Polenta is a traditional food from Italy in Europe. Polenta is a traditional food from Italy in Europe. Sentence number 2. Planet Earth has 7 continents and 5 oceans. Planet Earth has 7 continents and 5 oceans. I will repeat the 2 sentences one more time, all together. Polenta is a traditional food from Italy in Europe. Planet Earth has 7 continents and 5 oceans. That's the end of the challenge dictation. Remember to separate your sentences using a full stop. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this activity. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.